Hello guys and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this pot of amazing goodness, as in this delicious pot of vegetable sauce or vegetable stew. So keep on watching guys. For the ingredients, we are going to be needing fresh spinach, 4 fresh tomato, 2 scotch bonnet and 2 onions, and my boiled meat, and also fresh fish which I'll be frying later. Here we have our shrimps, and also canned tomato, 1 seasoning cube, salt, and vegetable oil. Add some vegetable oil to your pot. I'm going to start by frying my fish and also cut my onions. Now I'm washing my vegetables. You have to repeat this step 2 to 3 times to avoid eating sand. Now I'm going to be frying the meat. There is beef, there is stripes, also known as chaki. There is a cow skin, also known as pomo. And there is fuku. I don't know the English name of that, so manage it like that, guys. So I'll be frying them now. Now I'm going to be frying the shrimps. I'm adding the onions. I'm adding the seasoning cube. I just like adding this to my oil. I just like frying it. So I'm adding my blended tomato. This consists of the 4 tomato, the 2 scotch bonnet, and 1 of the onions. So I'm going to be adding salt to taste, and cover it. After frying the fresh tomato for about 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm adding the canned tomato. But you can decide to blend this with the other ones, but I just prefer to use it like that because it's not that smooth and I like the vibe it gives to my sauce. The stew have been frying, so now it's about time to add my stock, the water I got from my meat, so I'm going to be adding it. You see, it's not that much. I made sure I added just a little water because it's vegetable sauce. You don't need too much water in it. So you have to make sure your water is just a little. At this point, I'm adding my curry powder, and also my paprika powder. Yeah, those are my go-to spices when I'm cooking my sauce. Yeah. And this is thyme for that extra flavor. So you can see the sauce is coming together already. If it's not vegetable sauce, it's ready. Just add your meat and you're good to go. So because it's vegetable sauce, we'll be adding our vegetable So add it and allow it to cook a bit. You don't want to overcook your vegetable. No, no, no. Cover it and allow it to cook a little bit. At this stage, our sauce is almost ready. You can see how it's bubbling. So I'm adding the fish, the fried fish and the fried meat now. All the orishi is going inside the sauce now. Wow, look at that. Tell me you are not hungry right now. Tell me you don't need some rice, some yam, some plantain to eat this, some potatoes to eat this right now. It's so good, guys, and you can eat it with anything you want. Wow. Wow. Wow again. Don't mind me, guys. Now I'm going to be adding my shrimps. That's so difficult for me to pronounce. That's why most of the time I call it prawns. Please, shrimps. It's so difficult. At this stage, our vegetable stew or vegetable sauce is ready. Oh yeah, bring your rice. Let me put stew for you. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you love what you see, not like love what you say.